Imagine this. You're sitting at your favorite Chinese restaurant, eagerly waiting for your orange chicken to arrive. When it does, the golden brown chicken is perfectly crispy, and the sauce is thick, glossy, and absolutely mouth-watering. You take your first bite, the crunch is just right, and the sauce clings to each piece, adding a rich, savory sweetness without making it soggy. Now, what if I told you that you could recreate this exact restaurant-quality orange chicken right in your own kitchen, using Trader Joe's orange chicken as the starting point? That's what I'm going to show you today. First things first, we're going to give that sauce a major upgrade. While the sauce that comes with the chicken is good, I'm going to make it great. Start with a pinch of salt and pepper. Then the garlic and red chili flakes. Add a touch of honey to enhance that sweet richness, and you've got the perfect base. But here's the key. To get that thick, restaurant-style sauce, we're adding a cornstarch slurry. This little trick will thicken the sauce, giving it that luscious, clingy consistency that coats the chicken perfectly, without losing any of that crispy texture we love. Just like it came from your favorite takeout spot, but with a personal touch that makes it even better. Now comes the most important part, keeping that chicken crispy. Instead of dumping the sauce on the chicken right away, I'll cook it separately until it thickens. And then I'll carefully fold the chicken in the sauce, making sure each piece is coated in that glossy, rich sauce, but still has that irresistible crunch. The result? You'll be transported straight to that restaurant you love, but this time, you've made it at home. Crispy, saucy, sweet, savory. To bring everything together, I'll add in some fresh cilantro for a burst of color and a bit of extra flavor. This creates the perfect contrast to the richness of the sauce and give the dish that fresh, satisfying bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new video.